Hello again. Just a reminder that the videos in this series reflect the IELTS Level 6+. To achieve success by the end of this series of videos, you should be able to use a minimum of 1,500 words, both written and spoken, as conversational Australian English. This would deem you to be competent at a competent level of IELTS Level 6. The focus here must be on coherence and cohesion, lexical resources, grammatical range and accuracy, fluency, pronunciation and response, and the use of varying levels of Australian English, slang, colloquial, informal and formal, as the situation and topics of the conversations dictate. Also, please note that the first 4 videos, and this is video number 3, in this series for IELTS 6 are focused on aspects of grammar. I'm going to talk about the article. I have mentioned it previously, and it is talked about in depth in the actual grammar video. Here's just a brief explanation. There are a lot of unnecessarily complicated explanations for the use of an article, but in actual fact, it's quite simple. The origin of the article, the indefinite article, a, or we call it a or a, or an, comes from the Anglo-Saxon language, and it's the use of one. This demonstrates clearly why the a, or an, will only ever relate to a noun used in the singular case. A, or an still retains the sense of one. The article a, an, the is either definite or indefinite. Its usage depends on the context of the noun, its plurality, that is it singular or plural? An understanding of how to use the article correctly is related to its historical use and development. Have a look at this table below, which clearly states when an article used as a demonstrative adjective is used and what is being used as a substitute for. So definite, singular, the, this, that, yon, yonder, such, the same or self-same, the other. Definite plural, the, these, those, yon, yonder, such, the same or self-same, the other. Whereas indefinite singular is a, or an, one or any, a certain or a certain, such and such, some, another, any other. Whereas indefinite plural, the a, or an is not applicable. Any, certain, such and such, some, other or any other. Note that the, short for this, the can also be pronounced the, depends on the context of your conversation. So note that the short for this and that is a definite demonstrative. A or at is short for one and is an indefinite. An is used before an open vowel, a silent H or an unaccented H, for example. An apple, an heir, an honest person, an historical fact. A or a is used before a consonant, before a or you sounded as you, and before one sounded as one. For example, a kite or a kite, a useful person or a useful person, a one-eyed donkey, a European, a unique example, but an unusual example. In Anglo-Saxon, the form of the word the was not used as it is now as a demonstrative adjective. However, for all cases and genders of nouns, both singular and plural, there are exceptions, of course, nominative singular masculine and nominative singular feminine, the definite article was expressed by a declinable adjective containing the base the. It is from this form of the word that we now get our present forms of this, that, these, and those. And declinable simply means the inflection of nouns and of words similarly inflected for categories such as case and number. In our next video, we'll be doing a bit more grammar and also learning more vocabulary to help to achieve your goal of IELTS Level 6+. Please continue to watch the next videos where you'll learn more conversational English and extend your knowledge and skills in Australian English, reading, speaking, listening, writing and understanding. Can I ask you, if this content has been helpful, would you please subscribe to this channel? Many thanks. Hope you get to Australia one day.